Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data entry. Data entry is the fundamental process of inputting various types of information into a digital format, typically a computer system or database. This essential task ensures that organizations can maintain accurate records, track important metrics, and perform insightful analysis. We will cover the core concepts and practical steps involved, helping you understand its importance and how to approach it effectively. Get ready to learn the basics of transforming raw data into usable digital assets. Maintaining high data accuracy is paramount for reliable outcomes. A key practice is to double-check every piece of information against its original source, ensuring no discrepancies exist. Utilizing data validation rules within your software can automatically flag potential errors, saving significant time and effort. Furthermore, establishing a routine for reviewing and auditing your entered data helps catch any overlooked mistakes, ensuring the integrity of your entire dataset. Aim for a 99.9% accuracy rate. To boost your data entry efficiency, mastering keyboard shortcuts is a game changer, allowing you to navigate and input data much faster than using a mouse. For recurring information, utilize templates and autofill features to minimize manual typing and reduce errors. When faced with extensive projects, break them down into smaller, more manageable segments. This approach not only makes the task less daunting, but also helps maintain focus and accuracy over long periods, potentially increasing your output by 25%. Several tools are indispensable for effective data entry. Spreadsheets, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, are incredibly versatile for organizing and managing diverse data types, from simple lists to complex calculations. For larger, more structured datasets, database management systems like SQL are essential, providing robust storage and retrieval capabilities. Additionally, many industries use specialized software with custom interfaces designed to streamline specific data entry workflows, often improving efficiency by up to 50%. Choosing the right tool depends on your specific data requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.